No, Garfield, I don't want you near me.
I won't be after I send you to Avellaneda.
Oh, yeah, but I overstayed my welcome.
That's impossible. You were never welcome in the first place.
No, stop. I'm too cute for this. Stop, no. You're not really going to saw me in half. What if it doesn't work?
Don't worry, I can find another assistant. Just as I was getting to the fun part. So Harry's talking a bluebird, big fat feathered deal. Did you say a bluebird? Well, why didn't you say so? Forget the magic trick. It's just as well. I might have wound up with two of them.
Don't leave me like this, Garfield.
Sorry, pal. This lunch is not going to be to go. I shall eat it here. Don't bother struggling. You're fine sandwich material.
I'll take that.
Garfield, come back with my lunch. That bird is going to be the Blue Plate special. Hey.
A well-stocked refrigerator is useful for a great many reasons. He's a little dazed, but he'll be okay. Why am I so concerned about a bluebird? Odie, didn't you watch this show last season? The episode where I hatched those bluebird eggs? I'll refresh your memory. Flashback! I found these 3 eggs in a nest. They were bluebird eggs, and it looked like the mother bluebird had abandoned them. So what could I do? I sat on the eggs. As I was saying, I sat on the eggs until they hatched. And the little bluebirds, they thought I was their mama. Now, Harry, he was kind of rotten in that episode. I've come to think of it, he's kind of rotten in this episode, too. Anyway, he tried to make bluebird dinner. The mother bluebird showed up in time to stop him, and she and her babies flew off, safe and sound. Ever since then, I felt kind of, well, protective about bluebirds. No, I don't think this is one of those bluebirds I hatched. They were tiny, and that was last season. Oh, it is one of them. Hi. Oh, my babies. They're all grown up.
That was a rotten thing Garfield did, leaving me in this box. Garfield, locking me in that box was the meanest thing you've done to me for 15 minutes. You should be... Hey, what's with the bird?
Just giving him a drink of water. Normal, why don't you make us both happy and be someplace else?
I'm not leaving.
I have another magic trick.
I'm leaving.
I'm leaving. I love it when he says that. We're gonna make you a little nest.
Garfield took that yummy bluebird inside. There's got to be a way in.
Hiya, Harry.
Hiya, Normal. Sorry about the news.
What news?
About the bluebird. Here he's real cute. Cuter than you, even.
No one's cuter than me.
Out here, maybe. But sorry, in that house right now, that bluebird is tastier, cuter.
Oh, you might be right. What do we do?
Well, if you get it out of that house, I could maybe be persuaded to take care of it. I mean, I'd give it a good home.
Wait right here.
Yeah.
Shh, Odie. Be very quiet so we don't wake up the little bluebird.
Oh.
Here you go.
Congrats, Normal. You are once again the cutest creature in that house.
Naturally.
Sorry, Lunch. You ain't going anywhere.
Odie, if you're gonna wake me up like that, it better be extremely important. That is extremely important. Yeah. Normal, what did you do with my bluebird friend?
Gave it to Harry. Don't worry. Harry said he's gonna give him a good home.
Yeah, right. In his stomach. I gotta find him before it's too late.
Oh, Odie, I did an awful thing. You think Garfield will ever forgive me? I don't blame him. I wouldn't forgive me either. Odie, you think that nose of yours could sniff out which way Harry went with the bird?